So loads of people are talking about Notebook LM and all of its use cases, and I think it's an amazing tool. But Perplexity Spaces, which is an AI-powered collaboration hub, is just as good, if not better, because of some of the other features it has. And I think Perplexity Spaces is the platform that most people would benefit from if they don't want to get into the technical aspect of creating an AI assistant, because it allows you to upload different files, PDFs, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, all kinds of different files, and make your own agent essentially. So when you've got the pro version, you can choose the model. We've got Sona Large, GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, Sona Huge, Grok 2, which is awesome that they've just added recently, and then Claude 3.5 Haiku. I always go for Claude 3.5 Sonnet. In my opinion, it's just the best that we've got at the moment. It does so well with coding and a bunch of other things. But you can make your space. I've already made, let me discard this for a moment. I've made my marketing buddy, and it says it's trained on my emails, newsletters, courses, videos, transcriptions to video transcriptions to capture my knowledge and talking points and create content for various platforms. So with this, we've got our the model selected, and we've got, let's close this. We've got sources, because when we talk to it, we can get it to not just pull from our sources, but pull from the web as well, that's, in my opinion, that's what takes it to the next level. And then you can add all of your files. So I've just started adding PDFs of my transcripts for my videos, and then I've given it links. You can give it whatever links you want, but I've given it links. And when I talk to it again, it's going to pull from my sources and my files and then the internet. So again, if you're a small business and you're looking to get into having your AI assistant training something on your data, this is like the no friction way of doing it. This is the most easy way, no complications, and then you can invite your team members and all kinds of things. So definitely recommend if you need to brainstorm, coordinate projects, collectively explore different ideas. You can upload all of your files, all of your company emails, your responses, your training documents, your SOPs, and you can talk to that data with the stuff on the internet. So let me see what it does when I tell it to write a blog post about, what did I give it? What have I already given it? About using Gemini 2.0, 2.0 live to be a mentor, coding mentor. And this is how it works. So it's gathering data, case studies. It's doing all the agentic style work. So it's 3 steps. It's search for information, gathered examples or case studies, compiled the gathered information, and outlined the blog post. So there we go. This is your content engine. It's doing all the research for you, and you can keep going back and asking it more questions to add to it. So yeah, definitely recommend checking that out if you're trying to get an agent started up and there are so many options and you're feeling overwhelmed. This is going to be a game changer for you.